Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Google Chrome sync post error. So if you find an error on your Google Chrome, but you already signed in into your Google account on Chrome, but then you find it that the sync is paused, you can see the error at the top right corner. It says that my Google Chrome sync is paused. So how you can fix it? It is actually pretty easy. What you need to do is just click on this pause button at the top, and you'll see that the sync is paused. And apparently, I am not signed in into my account, or maybe Google Chrome has forced log out my account from the browser. So what you need to do is just sign in again by clicking on this button, sign in again, and you'll be asked to enter your email or phone information again in here, and then you can just tap on next. Don't forget to enter your password in here. Tap on next again, and just like that, within seconds your problem is fixed and the sync is now back on. So that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.